7. I'm in Biscoe. I don't know what street I'm on. We're pulling into a residence, going through the yard. Let me see your hands! Wrecked out, wrecked out. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see both of your hands! Both of your hands out the window. With your left hand, open the door. With your left hand, open the door. Keep both hands in the air. Both hands in the air.
Just crashed out on the city street.
Both hands. Let me see both of your hands, Dwayne. Step out of the vehicle, both hands in the air. Tell him to take down. Stand up. Go straight to the ground. Go straight to the ground. Straight to the ground, Dwayne. Both hands out in front of you. Both hands out. Like an airplane, Dwayne. Is there anybody else in the vehicle, Dwayne? Don't move.
I ain't gonna move. I'm a can't hold my right arm is hurt. My right arm is hurt. My right arm is hurt.
That was pretty stupid.
I just fucking hey man. Chance, don't do that, bro. Man, get out, Chance. God damn it, you hurt. Chance, you hurt my arm, man. Chance, my arm is hurt.
You started me at 10-16 at a 10-11.
Chance, my arm is hurt, bro. Please. Chance.
What?
Man, my arm is cramped. My right arm. I heard it when I ripped.
Yeah, I'm good. We just made the whoopie-doos to the yard.
Chance.
Roll over on the side, Dwayne.
Just unloose me, man. I'm hurt.
Why are you running, Dwayne?
Cause you're just fucking around with you. I knew you gonna chase me. You just fucking.